A man arrives at his home to find a hole in the roof and a strange-looking piece of metal on his bedroom floor. Just what that piece of metal is a mystery. News 13 Cheryl Barber joins us now live at the Sheriff's Office in Hendersonville. And Cheryl, what do investigators say about this UFO?
Well, there is some speculation that the unidentified flying object fell off of an airplane, but the Federal Aviation Administration disagrees.
I came upstairs and I seen this mess on the floor. I looked up and there's a hole.
Bob Poor has a hole in his roof and ceiling that's about the size of a bowling ball. He's asked us not to show his face, but he's eager to show pictures he took of a metal object painted blue on one side with some machined metal on the other.
According to the police and the fire department, they think it had to come from an airplane that was very high. We're in the direction of the airport in Asheville, and a lot of planes go across here. So we're thinking it could have come from a plane.
It's a 4-inch by 4-inch piece of metal, 1/2 inch thick, weighing 2 or 3 pounds. He says it obviously fell a great distance to make this kind of impact.
Anybody that would look at that and it's coming through your roof, it's going through your plywood, your insulation, and 5/8 drywall, and it's 8 or 9 feet away from where it landed, and the mess on the floor, you know, you don't know. You just can't figure it out.
When Bob saw it, he says he picked it up, then dropped it immediately, wondering if it was radioactive. The fire marshal arrived to check it out.
I approached it with my personal dosimeter and had the radiation detector in reserve should I have gotten a signal from this, but there was no radiation.
Wally Hollis says there's no harm in being safe around a UFO. After looking at the damage, he had a few ideas.
I really have no idea where it came from except for an educated guess. It had to be something airborne to reach that kind of velocity, because it really did some damage to the guy's roof.
Deputies took custody of the object and sent it to the FAA. The FAA's Kathleen Bergen sent us a message saying, quote, "The FAA inspected the part and confirmed that it did not come from an aircraft."
Bob Poor says his neighbors tell him there was plenty of military aircraft activity over his neighborhood recently. He says he still doesn't know what the object is. All he knows is it fell from the sky. Reporting live in Hendersonville, I'm Cheryl Barber, News 13.